Hey guys, Thiago from ZZ2, and on today's workshop, I'm going to show some great features about our new product, the MP Play. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the MP Play, our newest single DIN head unit. So today I'm going to talk about three great features about it on this pretty nice shallow chassis single DIN unit. So to start with it, with the funniest part about the MP Play because we don't have AM radio, so it only comes with FM. But the great thing is with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, now you can download an app called TuneIn or iHeartRadio, and then you can search for your favorite radio station, so you don't miss any show or any particular information that you're looking for. So the MP Play comes with external microphone in a box, and also there is a built-in mic to the head unit, so it gives you a great quality audio during phone calls and easy access to talk to Siri and Google Assistant. Another great feature of the MP Play is there is a Bluetooth app built into it, so you can pair your phone with it. You can get all your favorite playlists playing through the speakers. Or if we're talking about streaming videos, we do have the ZZ Air Pro that can be connected to one of the USB ports, or the Zeus Ultra 2 that also can be connected to the one of the USB ports, and you have your favorite shows. You have access to Netflix, YouTube. You can download apps if you're using the Ultra 2. You can get Hulu, Amazon Prime, and much more. So thank you for tuning in to today's workshop. And we just talked about three great features about our new MP Play radio. So if you guys have questions or if you guys need any assistance, any technical information, please give us a call or access our website, zz-2.com.